it's got some little chips in the front on the bottom, but because there's chips, I can tell it's real wood. You know what I mean? It's like now that I think like it is definitely real wood. Yeah, I think so. And it's got a big box opening in the back. Like it's like a maybe a 13 by 10-inch opening in the back for plumbing. Um, right, right. So, and then the only other issue is it's got the one hole for the faucet. It's it's just one hole on each side. I don't know if you can you see it from the picture I sent? Yeah. So here, so I sent a second picture with the plans for it. Okay, so if you like open that up a little bit, you'll be able to see it's just one hole on each sink. All right, so yeah, and this has the power supply on the inside of the cabinet. It has power supply. It's got like a hair dryer thing that pulls out, and it's got plugs, and it's got USBs in it. Yeah.